Students, this is 18th basics class. Now today in this class, let us have a discussion about trigonometric functions of angles 30 degree and 60 degree. I mean, let's go for finding sin 30 degree value, cos 30 degree value, so sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, like that. To get that, you should use equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle which is having all its sides as equal. If all sides of a triangle are equal, it is called as equilateral triangle. I go for drawing that. So equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Measure of each angle. What is the measure of each angle? All angles are also equal. Measure of each angle should be 60. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. So right, 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. So now, you draw a median through this triangle ABC. ABC. You draw a median AD. So AD is the median. Since it is equilateral triangle, so D becomes the midpoint. D becomes the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC. So this implies, so D is the midpoint. Median AD divides this full angle into two equal parts. So measure of. So what is the measure of this? 30 degree. So measure of that 30 degree. That means half of 60 degree. How much is half of 60 degree? 30 degree. I hope you people are understanding. Now you take measure of each side as x. Full distance is x. Of BD is half of BC, that is x by 2. So this measure is x by 2. So BD length, tell me BD length, students, x by 2. So I write that in side. So let you take AB, length of AB equals length of BC is equal to length of AC is equal to x. You take length of each side as x units. D is midpoint of BC. Therefore BD. So BD length is equal to half of BC. So half of BC. Tell me BC length x by 2. BD is equal to x by 2. So we got BD. Already we have AB. Let's go for finding AD. From the triangle ABD, you apply Pythagoras theorem. Tell me Pythagoras theorem, students. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to, so AD square plus BD square. AB square, length of AB, it is x. AB square means x square is equal to AD square plus BD. So tell me BD length, students. So BD length it is x by 2. BD square means x square by 4. Bring that this side. Bring that x square 4 this side. X square minus x square by 4 is equal to AD square. LCM. Find out LCM. AD square is equal to LCM is 4. 4x square minus x square. 4x square minus x square. AD square equals 4x square minus x square. 3x square by 4. Send that square right side. If I send square right side, it becomes root. So that implies length of AD, so root 3, so square becomes root. If I bring that to this side, square becomes root. Root applies for each term, root 3, it is root 3. Root of x square is x. Root of x square, how much is root of x square? It is x. Root 3x by so root 4, how much is root 4? 2. So 2. So we got AD length or you use directly. What is the height of the equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 2 x. Area of the equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4x square. So root 3 by 4x square, area of the equilateral triangle. You can find a height using area of the equilateral triangle also. So right. So AD root 3x by 2. So right. Now you come to this one. First I consider angle 30 degree. So for the angle, so 30 degree. For the angle 30 degree. So tell me opposite side. For the angle 30 degree, opposite side is, so tell me side which is opposite to 30 degree, AD, BD. Side which is opposite to 30 degree is BD, opposite side, opposite to the angle 30 degree. The opposite side, BD. So tell me length of BD. Length of BD it is x by 2. Next, adjacent. For the angle 30 degree, BD becomes opposite and the side which is opposite to 90 degree becomes hypotenuse. So this measure, this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So tell me side which is opposite to 90 degree, AB. AB becomes hypotenuse. Length of AB is x. So if this becomes hypotenuse, this is opposite, this becomes adjacent. Remaining side becomes adjacent. Side which is opposite to required angle is opposite side. Side which is opposite to 90 degree, hypotenuse side. Remaining side from that is adjacent. So tell me measure of adjacent. Adjacent is AD. So AD, measure of AD is AD length. Tell me AD length. So root 3x by 2. Hypotenuse. For the angle 30 degree, AB becomes hypotenuse. So tell me length of AB, x. Already we have that. Now you go for writing. Now you go for finding values of trigonometric functions. First I take sin 30 degree. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is so x by 2. Hypotenuse side is x. So x, reverse it. X by 2, 1 by x. X gets cancels 1 by 2. How much is sin 30 degree value, students? 1 by 2. So reciprocal. So write the second one, cosec 30. Cosec 30 degree. Reciprocal. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of 1 by 2, it is 2. So it is 2. So we got it. Next, cos 30 degree. So next, you go for cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree. Cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Tell me the length of, you tell me the length of adjacent side. Root 3x by 2. So root 3x by 2 by hypotenuse side. Measure of hypotenuse side is x. We simplify that. So it is root 3x by 2. 1 by x, x get cancels. So it is root 3 by 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Tell me cos 30 degree value, students? Root 3 by 2. Go for reciprocal. Reciprocal of cos is secant 30. Reciprocal of cos is secant. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is so 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. So next, so tan 30 degree. So tan 30. So tan theta means opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. So tell me the length of opposite side. X by 2. X by 2 by length of adjacent side. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into x. I think 2 get cancels. X get cancels. It is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree. So 1 by root 3. Finally cot 30. Cot 30 degree. So reciprocal of 1 by root 3. It is root 3 by 1. Root 3. I hope you understood this easily. I hope you understood this very well. So the thing is, these are the basic values, basic standard values you must by heart. So without by hearting this, you cannot learn that in trigonometry which comes further, right? So right now let's go for angle 60 degree. Angle 60 degree. Now you consider angle 60 degree. So right there. So for the angle 60 degree, for the angle 60 degree, for the angle 60 degree, so this is 60 degree. Tell me opposite side. AD. Opposite side is AD. Tell me length of AD. Just before you found, that is root 3 by 2 x. Height. Root 3 by 2 x. It is height of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 x square of into base into height. Height of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 x, opposite side. So for the angle 60 degree, opposite is AD, root 3 by 2 x. Adjacent side is BD. So BD, tell me length of BD, x by 2. Hypotenuse side. So hypotenuse side is AB. It is x. Now let's go for finding so trigonometric functions for these angles. First one, sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So tell me opposite side. Root 3x. Root 3x by 2. Hypotenuse side x. X get cancels. It is root 3 by 2. Sin 60. Root 3 by 2. Reciprocal of sin is cosec. So cosec 60. Cosec 60. Reciprocal it 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3. Second one, cos 60. Cos 60 degree. Sin 60 opposite by hypotenuse. Cos 60 adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So tell me the measure of adjacent side. So adjacent is x by 2 by hypotenuse. Length of hypotenuse x. X get cancels. 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of cos is secant 60. So secant 60. 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. 2. I think it is 2. So third one, tan 60. Tan 60. Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. So tell me length of opposite side. Length of opposite side is so root 3x by 2. Adjacent side is x by 2. So 2 get cancels, x get cancels. It is root 3. Root 3. 2 get cancels, x and x get cancels. Remaining is root 3. Tan 60 degree root 3. So cot 60 degree. So reciprocal of tan is cot. It is 1 by root 3. I hope you understood these things well, students. We stop this class. We shall continue the. Now let's go for finding trigonometric functions of one more standard angle, which is 45 degree. Now let's find how much is sine 45 degree, cos 45 degree, so tan 45 degree, so on, right? For this, you consider isosceles right angle triangle. So consider isosceles right angle triangle. So for this, you consider isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle means, so right, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. So you take this, students. If I take isosceles right angle triangle, so measure of an angle becomes 45 degree. Isosceles. So these two sides are equal. So measure 45 degree. This is 90 degree. Even measure of this angle is also 45 degree. So these two sides are equal. You take measure of these two sides as 1, 1. You can go for taking 2, 2 also. Even if I take 2, 2, so I am going to get same thing. So you take length of these two sides as 1 unit, 1 unit. Since these two sides are equal, if I take length of this side as 1, this side also becomes 1. So right. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. You may be having this doubt, sir. Why should we take one only for these two sides? You can take 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Whatever you take, you are going to get same answers. So answers will not depend on the number which you choose for these sides. Answers will not change even if you change these lengths, right? Okay, students. If you have doubt, you try, or otherwise message it to me or call me. I explain neatly. So according to Pythagoras theorem, ABC square equals AB square plus BC square. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So AC square equals, tell me length of AB 1 square 1. Length of BC 1 square 1 plus 1 2. So AC, send the square right side becomes root 2. AC, length of AC is root 2. So now you write it. Now you go for writing sine 45. Sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree. Opposite. Sine theta means opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse. So tell me the side opposite to 45 degree. It is AB. So AB by AC. So length of AB 1. AC root 2. Sine 45 degree 1 by root 2. By head that. Sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. So right. So reciprocal of sine is cosec. Cosec 45 degree. So root 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. It is root 2 by 1. Second one. Cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Tell me adjacent side length. BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC length 1. AC length root 2. 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos is secant 45 degree. Secant 45 degree. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2. Root 2 by 1. So root 2 by 1 it is root 2. So right. So lastly tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent side. Tell me measure of opposite side. That is AB. AB by BC. AB length 1. BC length 1. 1 by 1 it is 1. Reciprocal of tan cot. Tan 45 degree. Reciprocal of tan is cot 45 degree. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. I hope you understood these things, students. We shall have more discussion in that next class. Thank you.